Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can recover an unsaved document. So if program shutdowns for whatever reason and you didn't save your work, when you run the document again, this will show up. So document recovery. So now as you can see, I have two of them. What can I do now is just recover selected. So this window will pop up automatically if you if something happened with your computer. If this window is not shown, then it means that document was successfully saved and nothing is missing. So if you find if you see this window, then just select your document which you want to save. So recover selected, click on that, it will load up and now it's open up again. Okay, so this one is with a code and then we have the second one. Like so. Now what we can do is basically just save it, save as, and I will go with in my here and save it. Now, if I save it, it will be there. And if something happens, uh, everything is now saved and safe that I can't lose anything in this file or even the whole file. So I hope that it was understanding how this recover is working. If it was, and it was, if it was helpful for you, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.